I had to because I have been associated with all of you for a very long time now. And in fact, I'll congratulate everyone. आप सबका हार्ड वर्क इतना जो आप लोग करते हैं हमारे लिए और हमारे फैंस के लिए, उसके लिए थैंक यू सो मच. I think one of the best association I can say because एक तो बहुत interesting conversations हुई हैं हमारी आपके साथ और I remember उनका नाम क्या बहुत सा नाम No, that girl who used to come. So she used to come and I always used to tell her कि आप बहुत interesting questions पूछते हैं. You know, as an artist आपको बहुत मज़ा आता है ऐसे questions को answer करना. So I think one of the best associations so far. I can only say that आपको जैसे 8 साल हुए हैं मुझे 10 साल में तो मैं बस 2 साल ही बड़ी हूँ. So yeah, it happened. It wasn't planned at all. I was here in Bombay for some other work, and I accidentally landed into doing a show which was called Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi, and then from there my journey started as an actor, and then I think there was no looking back, and I think I'm just totally very blessed to. That I'm a part of this industry. Right. It wasn't really a roller coaster ride, but I can say it required a lot of hard work, especially when I was preparing myself for Jhansi Ki Rani. Right. And I had to go through all those sword fighting classes and horse riding and Malkham. So, and because I wanted to do it, I really wanted to do it because I wanted to make a mark. And I knew that this is one opportunity, I will never get it in my life and I should strive and put my 100%. And yeah, so I can only say that my journey has been very smooth, touch wood, but it's been very hardworking as well. Fortunately.
Yeah, fortunately.
So I think I am a very emotional person when it comes to family and friends and people around me and people I love. So of course my family is very close to me, my parents are very close to me and they don't live in Bombay but Mumbai. Whenever they fly over here, then you know I tell my production people कि आप मुझे जल्दी छोड़ दो, I want to spend time with my parents. Then also my dog, I think I'm very close and I'm very fond of my dog Donut. Yeah, his name is Donut. He's a beagle and he's going to be 6 now in October. So I'm very fond of him. I think he's my second lifeline, I can say. And of course then my husband, my in-laws, वो सब तो है ही. I'm also very close to my work. I think बहुत मेरे जो family members उनको शिकायत भी रहती है कि जब मैं काम करती हूँ तो मैं सिर्फ काम करती हूँ and you know I don't give time to them to attention to them. और ये स्पेशली शिकायत रहती है मेरे हस्बैंड को. तो मैं मल्टीटास्कर बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ. तो जब मैं काम कर रही होती हूँ तो मैं सिर्फ काम कर रही होती हूँ और जब मैं फैमिली को टाइम दे रही होती हूँ तो मैं सिर्फ वो दे रही होती हूँ. मेरे लिए मटीरियलिस्टिक चीज़ें हैं इम्पॉर्टेंट, ऑफकोर्स सबके लिए होती है, मेरे लिए भी हैं, पर वो थोड़ा बाद में आती है. पहले इट्स माई फैमिली एंड माई रिलेशनशिप्स विद देम. Yes, and congratulations, and so here is a piece of cake for you, all of you, for your hard work and everything.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kritika.
Thank you. सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको ही ये विश देना चाहूँगी कि जैसे आप लोगों ने 8 साल इतना मेहनत करके आप लोग यहाँ पहुँचे हैं, भगवान करे कि आप और भी बहुत आगे जाए, बहुत सारे साल कंप्लीट करें. आप लोग बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग ग्रुप हो. कोई भी आई वोंट कंपेयर यू विद एनीवन, बट आई नो दैट your set is very different from the other sets, like your group, and very intelligent people, I'll say. So I think I'm very fond of you also. All the very best.
Hi, this is Aneri Vajani and y'all are watching me on Glitz Vision.